Sarah, I started it.
Watch her.
Okay, this is Renee, and she is the top one, if you can see it.
She's not doing so bad. Oh, I'm not? No.
Yeah, you are. Okay, and then you do the left one. On the left. There you go.
Oh, gosh. She actually is doing better. Every time I try to get her.
Stop talking.
No. Okay. I got it. Okay. Every time.
Let's see how she drives at the wheel.
You gotta stop.
I like turning it around.
Where's the opening?
I don't like it.
Go to the right.
Like, the stupid brakes thing is, like, really annoying.
Go through what? There's a little opening, but I think it's...
I'm on the top right.
It's farther. Yeah, you are.
It's way over.
It's farther down.
Isn't it? No.
No, the other way. It's farther down.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh.
Okay, now I
right there. Now take a left. Right there. See?
Take a left at the whatever it's called.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
You gotta get past that fence.
I know.
It's still there. So it's okay.
Like I said, that's why I wanted to play Renee.
Renee, you just talk. Sophie's gonna bark at you in a minute. She smells like chips. She get any chips now.
Sarah, you want to finish taking it? I want to finish. Okay, I'm gonna...
I don't think I'm going to be a good driver.
Okay.
I don't even know where I'm going. I got lost in this
car. When you're actually driving, you don't go that fast, hopefully. Oh yeah, you could have been on that.
Everyone beats Renee.
Yeah. That's why I wanted to play her.
Yeah, but I got pink.
Right there!
How do I get out? I'm stuck!
I got paper.
Hey, I got out.
Here we go. Okay, well.
You're stuck on that.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh, Renee, just get out of there.
I can't get out. I'm not looking at a wall.
Where'd you go?
One person.
Yeah.
Zero.
But I can't, I don't know where I'm supposed to bring
You want to do it? You're the one right in front of
Up there, see? You have to get out of there again.
Hey, go down. This way. Don't push both of them.
Renee, just keep pushing the right one at all times.
Which one? Which one's right? The one on your right.
Got it. Don't forget the right.
Do you want to do it? 'Cause you're right.
I think it's